Now let's solve some mental ability coding decoding type questions. So coding decoding questions are very important mental ability questions, or these are important for general aptitude test and very important for exams like Ugee, Olympiad, and also very important for exams like BITSAT, Viteee, and others where general aptitude test is involved. So let's consider the first question of mental ability. Mental ability coding decoding question number 1. So in question number 1 we given that in a certain code language, so in coding decoding types of question you will given a code language. So given that in a certain code language, if the word climate, climate, is coded as IAECLMT, then how is the word calculate coded in the language? First try it yourself and then see the solution. So let's see the solution. In this question we are given the word climate and it's coded as IAE. Now first of all, leave this word climate and see the second word that is given. Can you see some pattern in this word? You refer it carefully and you can see that IAE, these three are vowels, and CLMT, these three are consonants. That is, you can see that in the word climate, the I, the A, the E, they are vowels and they are taken in the same order and put at the first. So the vowels are put at the first in the same order as they appear in the word climate. So let's see the word calculate. So in the word calculate, you see A, U, A, E. This will appear first. A, U, A, E. A, U, A, C cancel. A, U, A, E. A, U, A, E. Now see the word C, L, M, T are placed after in the same order. C, L, M, T placed in the same order. So C, L, C, L, T will be placed in the same order. C, L, C, L, T, obviously it's correct. It's cancel. C, L, C, sorry, it's A, U, A, E. And we should find A, U. Sorry, then option number A will be become incorrect because AUAA, we need to find AUAE, and it's given AUEA. Okay, so CLCLT and here CLCLT. Okay, then option number C is correct. CLCCT, it will be incorrect, so option number C will become our correct option. Now let's solve a question from again the same topic, that is coding decoding of mental ability, and this will become question number 2 as we have already solved the question number 1 above. So in this question we are given that in a certain code language, if the word solutions, you see the word SOLUTIONS is coded as SNOITULOS, then how is the word answer ANSWER coded in the language? So in this question we are given that the word solutions, and these type of questions are very important for exams like UGEE or Viteee or BITSAT or Olympiads or other exams involving concepts of mental ability, logical reasoning, or general aptitude. So see, this is just a straightforward question. See, the word solutions is just reversed way. SNOITULOS. So just reverse the word, that is REWSNA. So REWSNA, option number D will become the correct option, and it was a very easy question, and these type of questions are very scoring for exams of involving mental ability or coding decoding. Let's see a question from mental ability coding decoding again. So it will become our question number 3 because we have already solved coding decoding 2 questions above. So question number 3. So in the question number 3 we are given that in a certain code language, the word is basket. Basket word is given to us is coded as UFLTBC. Then how is the word simple coded in that language? And it's a very good question, and it's just like, if you are not familiar with this type of question, then you will face problems solving this question. So these type of questions, once again I am saying, very important for exams like UGEE, BITSAT, Viteee, mental ability based exams, Olympiads, and more. So see, it's a very, I will say it's a difficult question because it's very difficult to strike it first. So given the word is a basket, you see the word BASKET, and then a word is given as simple. Then we have to code the simple. We have to first decode the basket and then code the word simple in that language. So for these type of questions, okay, do one thing, that basket is given, and see UFLTBC. Now see, you try to identify a pattern. See, U. The word U is close to the word T. It appears after the word T. The word F. You see the word F appears after the word E. You see the word L. The word L appears after the word K. Now see, from this you can understand that the last three letters, if read from right to left, becomes KET. So from this you can understand that the word basket is actually reversed. So let's first reverse this. TEKSAB. We have reversed this, and now do one thing, you add plus 1 to each letter. Add plus 1 to T, it becomes U. It becomes F, it becomes L, it becomes T, it becomes B, and it becomes C. So we have decoded the pattern. Now code the word simple. SIMPLE. Now reverse it. ELPMIS. Now add plus 1. After E comes F. So it will start with F. So option D gets wrong. M. FM. Okay, FM, then Q. Obviously now all options there are Q, so it will become FMQ. After M comes N, so it will become incorrect. Now N, after that J is in the both options, so J, and after S comes T, so T will be the last option. So option number C will become the correct, and it was a very good question. And this type of questions are expected to come in exams like Ugee or Viteee, so or in Olympiads. So our question is solved, and the option becomes option number C. So let's solve this question now for mental ability coding decoding, and it will be our question number 4, as we have already solved 3 questions above. And in this question, it's important for exams like UGW, VIT, as I told already. So in this question, we are given that in a certain code language, if the word singer is coded as XNS LJW, then how is the word dancer coded in that language? So this is also a very good question, and the previous question that we saw, that was also a very good question, and this question is also a very good question and is expected for the exams. So let's first see the word singer. Okay, so singer, and it's coded as XNS LJW. Now calculate the letter number of singer. A B C D E. E comes 5. E, after that F G. G comes 7. G, after that H I. I comes 9. And like this, similarly, you can see N comes 19, and you can see the word S comes 19, and N comes 14. N comes 14, and R comes 18. Okay, so this is, so I mean, like ABCDE, so E comes 5. Like that, you give numbering first of all to the letters of the word singer. Then like X, what is the value of X when calculated backwards? You see, calculated backwards, and it becomes like uh, X. Okay, for X, ABCDFG चाहे मैंने भी QRST UVW XYZ. So Z is 26, Y is 25, and X will become 24. N we have already given it 14. N is 14. S we have already given it 19, and L, what will be L? A B C D E F G H I J K L. L will be 12. Okay, so we have given numbering to the letter. Now see, S was 19, so 19 becomes 24. I was 9, 9 becomes 14. N was 14, 14 becomes, you see, S becomes, yeah, 19. And see, after that L, it means G, 7 becomes, you see, 12. So you can see 19 plus 5 24, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 5 19, 7 plus 5 12. So all the letters are added by plus 5. Okay, so now do the same for dancer, and we don't have to calculate exactly all the letters of dancer, because it's already, we can see, we can get many letters from singer. Like will will become, you see, here it will become JW. So JW will be at last, so JW and JW, and you can see before the letter H, these two gets cancelled, and okay, then the initial letter will be I. Initial letter will be I. So we need to see the next two letters. Anything from the next two letters, it means anything from A or N. And N, you can see N becomes S. N becomes S. So option number A, it will become our correct option. We don't even have to calculate this. So option A here becomes our correct option, and it was a very good question. Now let's see another problem from coding decoding of mental ability, and this is one of the most, I will say, one of the most difficult problems that I have ever seen, and it will be our question number 5, as we have already solved 4 questions above. So let's see in the question number 5 what's given. It's given that in a certain code language the word please is coded as GNRGUC. Then how is the word coding coded in that language? So please is coded as GNRGUC, and it will not strike in the mind if we see this question that how to solve it. So let me explain the actual way of solving this problem. So PLEC, the word divided into two parts, PLE and ASE. PLE ASE. Now reverse the word PLE and it becomes ELP, and reverse this word, it becomes ESA. And now do one thing, do add plus 2 to each, ELP and ESA. Wait a minute, and do one thing, you add plus 2 to each, plus 2 plus 2. When we add plus 2, it becomes E plus 2 E F G G L M N N P Q R R E F G G S T U U A B C C, and it becomes like GNRGUC, that they, and this word was given to us already. Then how is the word coding coded in that language? So CODING divided into 2 DOCGNI. Now plus 2 to both, and DEF F ABCD IJKL MNO PQ Q C D E E G H I N L M N O P P I J K K F Q E I P K F Q E I P K. So option number D will become the correct option here. So it was a very difficult question and very good question. So thanks for watching.